Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to present the top 3 best can openers of 2025. These innovative kitchen tools have been carefully selected for their superior performance, durability, and ease of use, making meal preparation a breeze. Stay tuned to the end of the video as we reveal our top pick and share valuable tips on how to choose the perfect can opener for your needs. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 3. The Kitchen Mama One Touch Electric Can Opener. This innovative tool promises to make can opening effortless and hassle-free. Whether you're cooking for your family or preparing a festive meal, this can opener is here to help. Let's dive into its fantastic features. The Kitchen Mama Automatic Can Opener is a reliable hands-free solution. It operates with 4 AA batteries and makes opening cans a breeze. Simply press the button to start, and the opener cuts cleanly around the side of the can, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop, completely hassle-free. This can opener is designed for ultimate ease of use. It can open almost any can with just a press of a button. The smooth cutting action ensures no jagged edges, making it safe to handle. It's perfect for those who want a simple, straightforward can opening experience. Surprise your loved ones with the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener this Christmas. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves kitchen gadgets, including your wife, mom, or even yourself. Its sleek design and convenient operation will surely bring joy and ease to their cooking routines. Safety is a top priority with this can opener. The blade automatically cuts along the side of the can, ensuring no food touches the blade and nothing spills out. Plus, it leaves no sharp edges, making it safe for both adults and children to use. The Kitchen Mama Can Opener is designed with ease of use in mind. Its ergonomic design makes it perfect for the elderly, those suffering from arthritis, or anyone with gripping issues. Save your energy and enjoy effortless cooking with this user-friendly tool. Yes, you can. In conclusion, the Kitchen Mama One Touch Electric Can Opener is a must-have kitchen gadget. With its effortless operation, safe design, and ergonomic features, it's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking experience. Number 2. The PAKITNER Safe Cut Manual Can Opener. This innovative kitchen tool is designed to provide a smooth and safe can opening experience, ensuring both ease of use and safety. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or getting ready for a camping trip, this can opener promises to make your life easier. Let's dive into its features. The PAKITNER Safe Cut Can Opener cuts the lid from the side in a smooth, clean manner without leaving jagged edges. This design ensures that your fingers are safe from cuts and scratches, making it a safe tool for both adults and children to use. Made from food-safe stainless steel, the blade of this can opener is extremely sturdy and durable. You can trust that it won't rust or break over time, ensuring a long-lasting kitchen companion. The high-quality materials also ensure that it's safe for all your food-related needs. The ergonomic design of the PAKITNER Can Opener includes an easy-turning knob and a comfortable crank handle. This makes opening cans effortless, fast, and simple. The user-friendly design ensures that even those with less hand strength can use it with ease. This can opener is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel or camping trips. It can open all kinds of round and oval cans, providing versatility for different needs. The hole on the handle allows for easy hanging or storage in your kitchen drawers and cabinets. With its new design that cuts the lid sideways, the blade doesn't touch the food, ensuring cleanliness. The lid can be placed back on the can without falling in. Cleaning is simple, just rinse it under running tap water. This design promotes hygiene and easy maintenance. In conclusion, the PAKITNER Safe Cut Manual Can Opener is a fantastic kitchen tool that combines safety, ease of use, and durability. With its smooth cutting edge, high-quality materials, ergonomic design, portability, and easy cleaning, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Number 1. The OXO Good Grips Soft-Handled Manual Can Opener. This kitchen tool is designed to make opening cans a breeze with its comfortable handles and sharp cutting wheel. Whether you're a culinary expert or just cooking dinner, this can opener promises to be a handy addition to your kitchen. Let's dive into the details. The OXO Good Grips Can Opener features large, comfortable handles that take the pain out of opening cans. The big, cushion handles provide a non-slip grip, even when wet, ensuring you can open cans with ease and without discomfort. It's perfect for those with arthritis or weak hands. The oversized knob on this can opener turns effortlessly, taking the hard work out of opening cans. This design feature is a real game changer, especially for those who struggle with traditional can openers. Say goodbye to the frustration of stubborn cans. Equipped with a sharp cutting wheel made of sturdy stainless steel, the OXO-Good Grips can opener ensures a clean and smooth cut every time. This durable material not only makes the opener effective but also long-lasting, so you can rely on it for years to come. In addition to its can opening capabilities, this tool also includes a built-in bottle opener. This added functionality makes it a versatile addition to your kitchen toolkit, allowing you to open bottles with the same ease as cans. It's a two-in-one solution that saves space and adds convenience. Cleaning this can opener is a breeze. It's designed for hand washing only, ensuring that it stays in great condition without the need for special care. The simple maintenance routine makes it a practical choice for everyday use in any kitchen. In conclusion, the OXO-Good Grips soft-handled manual can opener is a fantastic tool for any kitchen. With its comfortable handles, easy-to-turn knob, sharp cutting wheel, and built-in bottle opener,